In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a chatbot with HubSpot. Start on your HubSpot dashboard and head to the service area in the top navigation. This is where all customer support tools live. From there, open Chat Flows. Chat Flows is HubSpot's workspace for building website chat widgets, bots, and live chat experiences. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar in the main navigation and type Chat Flows. Next, create a new chat flow and choose website as your destination. Website chat flows are designed to appear on your site pages and can hand off to humans or collect information automatically. Click Set up Chat to begin. You'll move through a guided setup where each screen lets you configure design, availability, and messaging. Click Next to proceed when you're ready on each screen. Start with appearance. Pick a color that matches your brand and is accessible. High contrast ensures the widget stands out against your page background. Then select a font that complements your site's typography. Prioritize readability. Simple, clean fonts usually perform best. If your brand has strict guidelines, this is the place to apply them. When the preview looks good, click Next. Now set channel availability. Choose the option to manage visibility based on chat operating hours. This helps set clear expectations for visitors and improves response satisfaction. Edit the specific time frames for the days you are available and make sure your time zone is correct. If you have international traffic, consider broader windows or a clear after-hours plan. A consistent schedule keeps your team organized and your visitors informed. Click Next. Craft your welcome message. Keep it short, friendly, and helpful. For example, introduce your team, offer assistance, and invite a brief response, like a question or a topic choice. Set expectations about response time so visitors know what happens next. When your message feels on brand and clear, click Next to continue, and then Next again to move to targeting. Choose the website type or domain where you want this chat to appear, then select the specific site or pages you want. This ensures the bot shows up in the right context, for example, on your pricing or support pages. In the email notification section, add a team member's work email so they receive alerts when someone starts a conversation. Using a shared team inbox is a solid best practice. Finally, click Copy to grab the installation code. This snippet is what you'll add to your website so the chat displays. After installing, test the widget in a private browser window to confirm it loads and behaves as expected. That's it. You've built a HubSpot chatbot that's on brand, available at the right times, and ready to help your visitors.